How to install the Ballast Box 3000 BBX. There is an option to install a solar panel. This will trickle charge the main battery. As part of this installation, you will need to install a Ballast Box 3000 BBX and a solar panel. When positioning the BBX 3000, it needs to be placed at a minimum of 1.7 meters away from the nearest running rail and on a hard and flat surface. The solar panel needs to be southwest facing. Please take into consideration any infrastructure or vegetation that may obstruct sunlight. Once positioned, install the pole into the mount on the bottom of the box using the 4 screws here. To keep the BBX 3000 stable, you need to fill it with a minimum of 80 kilograms of ballast. We would recommend keeping the ballast in the bags to ease transportation in the future. Fit the brace over the pole and then attach it to the sides of the box using 2 M8 by 25 screws, like this. If you can, place the main battery on top of the ballast inside the BBX 3000 and run the main battery cable through the hole on the side of the box. Thread the cable to the solar panel through the hole located at the top of the box and attach it to the battery. Place the lid on the box and secure the lid with the 4 screws. Tighten the screws on the pole of the solar panel to secure this in place. If you need further guidance or instruction on how to use the device, Joule Inventive offers support on-site, over the phone or online. Call us on 03300 169 033 or email support@jouleinventive.co.uk.